Hi viewers, today I am going to explain what is Titan Gold evaporator and condenser in air conditioner. Actually, all TCL ACs comes with Titan Gold evaporator and condenser. So what is mean by evaporator and condenser? Evaporator mean indoor unit of air conditioner. Condenser mean outdoor unit of air conditioner. There are fins available inside the indoor and outdoor unit. So for the best performance of an air conditioner, the fins have a very important role. There are different types of coating fins available in the AC industries like gold fin, blue fin, micro channel condenser fins and etc. I know which makes you more confused. So that's why I'm here to explain which is the best fin in the industry. That is Titan Gold, condenser and evaporator. As I said, all TCL AC models comes with Titan Gold evaporator and condenser. Now I'm going to explain what is the advantage of Titan Gold evaporator and condenser. Number 1. Corrosion free. Number 2. Durability. Number 3. Self-cleaning. Dear viewers, thanks for supporting us. Also subscribe our channel to get an update of new videos. If you require more information about our TCL products, please visit our official website. That's it from my end, Ganapathi from TCL.